So Pancakeswap holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video I'm talking about the danger move of the Pancakeswap, which is coming soon. So be alert and be safe from those, how you can save yourself from those, because now the danger move, the danger crash of the Pancakeswap are coming soon. Maybe the price will pump, but unfortunately there's a chances to the price crash now, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, please, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and like this video for more news and updates videos, my friends. Anyways, my friends, now this time if we talk about the latest update of the Pancakeswap, so now the price of Pancakeswap is good, but unfortunately now this time I think in this hour it is the beginning of the crash, my friends. 12.81 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Pancakeswap. Furthermore, you can see, as I told you, my friend, that now in the last 60 minutes the price crash is start now. Negative 0.43%. The price is also goes down in the last 60 minutes, my friends. Other side, you can see, if we talk about the previous changes occurring in the Pancakeswap, so the previous changes is absolutely good. You can see the changes occurring in the Pancakeswap in the previous time, in the last one day, in the last 1 week as positive. But now at this time, in the latest time, in the last 60 minutes, the changes of the Pancakeswap is going wrong. Absolutely, you can see here, my friends, from this chart that you can see here that now it is a big crash coming soon. So my friends, at this time the price of the Pancakeswap is completely going down, my friends. So be alert and be safe from lows. How you can save yourself from lows, my friends? Maybe my friends, this fast continue for the next 1 week. That's only my prediction, my friends. We can't say about the future. Maybe the price will pump tomorrow, but my technical analysis, my personal research about Pancakeswap tell us that the price will fast down for the next 1 week, my friends. That is my personal prediction about the Pancakeswap. Anyways, so how you can save yourself from loss? For safety of loss, you have to only hold, my friends. Holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. Not only in a Pancakeswap, every crap you're going to see you are holding, so you are safe from loss. But when you decide to sell, so you're completely in the loss, my friends. So that's why I'm telling you to please hold Pancakeswap to the last of July month. Hope you will get good amount of profit, my friends. So how do you feel about a Pancakeswap? Please also tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.